Hi, Jonathan. So today we'll be working on your goal 3 and 4. So right now we're doing goal 3, your mathematics, and your objective number 2. So let's get started. Here is an example what you will be doing. You'll be measuring to see which one's shorter and which one's longer, and writing down which one's shorter and longer. So the pink pencil is shorter than the blue one. The blue one is longer. The blue key is longer than the yellow key. The yellow key is shorter. The yellow pin is longer than the green pin. The green pin is shorter. So by looking at the pictures in the box, answer the question by circling the correct picture. So this is a question. Which is longer? Go ahead and circle it. This one's number 2. Which is shorter? Go ahead and circle it. Number 3. Which is shorter? Go ahead and circle it. Which is longer? Circle your answer. Which is longer? And which is shorter? So go ahead and circle your answers. And let's keep going to goal number 4, math, and objective number 2. So what we're going to do is you're going to write out the math problems. You have 10 questions today, Jonathan. So first, the top row, you're going to count how many apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to go ahead and write number 4 here, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 5. So 4 plus 5, you count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So you write your answer right here, number 9. Go ahead and do the rest of the questions on your own. Once you're finished, please send them to your teacher and she can upload them for you on Teams. Thank you.